8 healthy breakfast foods every senior should eat today. Are your mornings feeling a bit ordinary? As a senior, your breakfast choices can make all the difference in turning them extraordinary. Breakfast isn't just another meal, it's the cornerstone of a day filled with energy, focus, and vibrant health. The foods you choose in the morning directly influence your mood, metabolism, and overall vitality. In today's video, we'll reveal 8 healthy breakfast foods that every senior should know about. From heart-healthy oatmeal to nutrient-rich avocados, these options don't just taste amazing, they pack a powerful punch for your health. Let's get started and explore how these simple breakfast choices can make your mornings better and support your health. Number 1. Nuts and seeds. First on the list are nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. These nutrient-rich foods are especially beneficial for seniors as they are packed with healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s play a crucial role in supporting heart health, which is vital for seniors by helping to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Nuts and seeds also help control hunger, making them a smart choice for managing weight as we age. A major study found that people who ate nuts regularly lost an average of 5 centimeters from their waistlines more than those who consumed olive oil. For seniors, the fiber in nuts and seeds is another significant benefit. Fiber supports healthy digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps maintain a healthy gut, which is especially important as we age. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making it an excellent option for seniors managing or at risk of diabetes. A daily intake of around 28 to 30 grams of nuts and seeds is recommended. However, seniors should be mindful of potential allergies, as reactions can range from mild to severe. Always consult with a doctor if you're uncertain about adding them to your diet. Number 2. Oatmeal. Let's talk about oatmeal, a breakfast favorite that's both nutritious and versatile, making it a perfect choice for seniors. Made from whole oats, oatmeal is packed with beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that helps lower bad cholesterol LDL and keeps blood sugar levels stable. This is especially important for seniors as it supports heart health and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Oatmeal also promotes a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management, a key concern for seniors looking to maintain a healthy weight. Plus, it's naturally gluten-free, making it a safe option for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. In addition to fiber, oatmeal is rich in important nutrients like manganese, phosphorus, and iron, which support bone health, energy production, and overall wellness. For seniors, these nutrients help maintain strength, mobility, and overall vitality as they age. To make it even better, you can top your oatmeal with fresh berries, chia seeds, or a drizzle of honey for added flavor and nutrients. A serving size of 1/2 cup of dry oats, about 1 cup cooked, provides around 150 calories and keeps you satisfied for hours. It's a simple, delicious, and wholesome way for seniors to start the day right and ensure they're getting the nutrition they need to feel their best. Number 3. Eggs. Next up, eggs, a true powerhouse of nutrition, especially for seniors. Eggs provide a complete source of protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. This makes them an excellent choice for maintaining muscle mass and supporting overall health as we age. In addition to being high in protein, eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient that plays a vital role in brain health, memory function, and maintaining cell membrane integrity. For seniors, this is particularly important, as brain health becomes a key focus with age. While eggs were once thought to negatively impact heart health due to their cholesterol content, recent research shows that moderate egg consumption does not significantly raise the risk of heart disease for most individuals. This makes them a safe and nutritious option for seniors. Eggs are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in various ways, scrambled, poached, or boiled, allowing for a range of tasty and healthy breakfast options. Pairing eggs with whole grain toast or avocado can create a balanced, nutrient-packed meal that will fuel you throughout the day. A typical serving size is 1 to 2 eggs, with each egg containing about 70 calories and 6 grams of protein, making it a satisfying and nutritious choice for seniors. Number 4, avocados. The key benefits of avocados come from their high content of monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid. This type of fat is known to reduce inflammation and has positive effects on genes related to cancer. These fats are also important for heart health, as they help lower bad LDL cholesterol and raise good HDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease, which is especially important as we age. In addition to heart benefits, the monounsaturated fats in avocados help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants from other foods. By adding avocado to your breakfast, you can enhance the nutritional value of other fruits and vegetables in your meal. A study found that eating 175 grams of avocado daily for men and 140 grams for women over a 12-week period improved bacterial diversity in the gut compared to a control group. This is particularly important for seniors, as gut health plays a key role in overall well-being. Avocados are also rich in essential vitamins and minerals. They contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, vitamin K for bone health and blood clotting, and folate, which is important for cell repair, particularly for seniors. For a healthy, balanced breakfast, try adding about half an avocado, around 100 grams, to your meal. It's a nutrient-dense option that won't add too many calories, but will greatly improve your overall nutrition. Number 5, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, with their vibrant color, offer much more than just a delicious side dish. They're rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, an essential nutrient that supports healthy vision, skin, and immune function. This is especially important for seniors, as good vision and a strong immune system become increasingly important with age. The orange variety of sweet potatoes is particularly effective at boosting blood levels of vitamin A due to its easily absorbed form of beta-carotene. In addition to vitamin A, sweet potatoes provide important nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps strengthen the immune system and maintain healthy skin, both of which are vital for seniors. Potassium is essential for regulating blood pressure, and manganese plays a role in carbon monoxide metabolism. These nutrients support various aspects of health, making sweet potatoes a great choice for seniors looking to stay healthy. For a balanced breakfast, aim for a serving size of 100 to 150 grams of sweet potatoes. However, seniors with a history of kidney stones should be cautious, as sweet potatoes contain oxalates, which may contribute to stone formation in susceptible individuals. Number 6, Greek yogurt. Let's talk about Greek yogurt, a standout breakfast option, especially for seniors, thanks to its high protein content and creamy texture. Greek yogurt is strained to remove excess whey, making it thicker and more concentrated than regular yogurt, with a higher amount of protein per serving. This protein helps seniors feel fuller for longer, supports muscle repair and growth, and is essential for maintaining muscle mass as we age. In addition to its protein content, Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut microbiome, aid digestion, and boost immune function. This is especially important for seniors, as gut health plays a crucial role in overall well-being. Greek yogurt is also typically lower in sugar compared to many other yogurts, making it a better choice for those who are watching their sugar intake. To boost its nutritional value, you can add fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds to your Greek yogurt. This will provide extra vitamins, minerals, and fiber, enhancing the meal's health benefits. A standard serving size? is 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt, which provides approximately 15-20 grams of protein and 150,200 calories, making it a substantial and satisfying breakfast option for seniors. Number 7. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are among the most nutrient-dense fruits you can eat, making them an excellent addition to a senior's breakfast. Rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, berries help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are crucial for managing aging-related health concerns. These antioxidants support overall health and may even help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Berries are also an excellent source of vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, and fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. This makes them a great choice for seniors looking to strengthen their immune defenses and maintain digestive health. Despite their natural sweetness, berries are low in calories, making them an ideal choice for maintaining a healthy weight, especially as metabolism naturally slows down with age. You can enjoy berries fresh, blend them into smoothies, or add them to oatmeal or yogurt for extra flavor and nutritional benefits. A typical serving size is 1/2 cup, providing a significant dose of vitamins and fiber while keeping the calorie count low at around 450 calories per serving. This makes berries a delicious and healthy addition to any senior's breakfast. Number 8. Whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is an excellent choice for a nutritious breakfast, especially for seniors, as it provides complex carbohydrates and fiber that help sustain energy levels and support digestive health throughout the day. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain all parts of the grain, the bran, germ, and endosperm, which preserves essential nutrients like fiber, B vitamins, and iron. This makes whole grain toast a far more nutritious option compared to white bread. For a balanced breakfast, you can top your whole grain toast with avocado, nut butter, or a poached egg. This combination provides a good mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, keeping seniors full and energized throughout the morning. A recommended portion size is 1 to 2 slices of whole grain bread, with each slice containing around 70-80 calories and 304 grams of fiber, making it an ideal option for a satisfying and balanced breakfast for seniors. I hope these 8 healthy breakfast foods inspire you to start your day with energy and vitality, especially for seniors. From oatmeal to Greek yogurt, berries, and avocados, these options provide essential nutrients that support overall health and help maintain vitality as we age. However, always keep in mind your personal health needs and consult with a doctor or registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet. This is especially important for seniors, as our nutritional needs can change with age. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite breakfast foods.